Hello friends, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This is a 15-minute everyday Qigong practice to get your qi flowing, the circulation going, to wake up the joints and the muscles, and to feel your best. And now, let's get started. Find an even ground to stand, feet hip width. We will start with the happy bouncing to prepare the body for this rejuvenating practice. Wear a smile. Be playful. We don't need to take ourselves too seriously. And allow that happy energy to bounce up and down the body. Bring the arms up and let your wrists dangle. Wake up the wrist joints, the elbows. If you notice any tension in your shoulders, as you breathe out, let go of the tension. Let's do this together. Take a breath in through the nose, open mouth. Exhale, sigh it out. Lower the arms, swing side to side. Very gently twist into the spine as we're still warming up the body. Slowly come back to center. We will ground ourselves in the Taoist Wuji posture for a few cycles of breath. Knees are slightly bent. Relax the hips, the shoulders. Tuck the chin slightly, lengthen through the crown of your head. Touch the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. Bring up a slight smile. Focus your attention in your lower dantian as you breathe in and out. Moving into our opening exercise. Slowly inhale, flow your arms up towards the sky. And then release your breath as the hands come down front and center. And continue. Breathing in, spiral the arms out and reach upward. Breathing out, bring down the heavenly essence through the crown of your head, through the center of your body. Repeat 4 more times. Imagine you are taking a qi shower. The universal energy bathes you and energizes you. Breathing in, bring the awareness into your body. And breathing out, let go of any worries and concerns. Slowly release the arms down to your sides. Notice how your body feels. Moving into lotus opening, we will repeat 6 times. Tuck your chin to your chest while rounding the upper back. Bring the back of your hands to touch. Bend into the knees a bit more. Slowly inhale, lift your torso, open the arms. Exhale, hands come down through the front and to the side. Repeat. Bring the back of the hands to touch, rounding the spine. Touch the chin to your collarbones. Breathe in, lift the chest, open the arms. Exhale, float your hands down, front and center. Synchronize the movement with your breath. And continue 4 more times. This movement stretches the entire back line of the body. As you open your arms, visualize or imagine the beautiful lotus petals open under the sun. Each time when you're rounding into the position, feel the stretch from your tailbone through the C7 point, through the crown of your head. When you rise up, your chest is open, your heart is open. Slowly come back to the ready position and prepare for the next movement. Wise owl, gazing back. Standing up straight as you breathe in. Breathe out as you turn your head to the left and rotate your arms inside out. Spread your fingers and the thumbs point back. Slowly come back to center, slightly bending the knees. And repeat other side. Standing up as you rotate your neck to the right. Turning the arms inside out, squeeze the shoulder blades. Back to center, 2 more times on each side. Each time we gently rotate our neck, we are stimulating the C7 point, a master point on the governing channel of the body. As we get older, this point tends to have blockages. This movement helps clear blockages to maintain proper qi flow into the head. Each time we rotate our arms inside out, we are stimulating all 3 yin meridians that travels from the chest along the inside of the arms to go to the tip of the fingers. Come back to center. Observe a few cycles of breath here. And then place your palms over your hips for hip rotation, clockwise. This helps warm up our lower back. Loosen the tight muscles in our hips, our glutes, and the lower spine. Whenever you experience lower back distress, try this movement as often as you can. Counterclockwise, rotate your hips. Each time we rotate our hips, we're stimulating the Mingmen point, the door of life, that is on the governing channel of the body. Come back to center and close your eyes briefly. Observe your breath and your body. Open your eyes. Next is the double arrows exercise. Breathing in, slowly extend your arms forward. And breathing out, twist to your left and back. Keep the arms parallel and stare at your fingertips. Inhale, flow the arms forward. Exhale, flow your arms to the right and aim your swords to the back wall. 2 more times on each side. Try to keep your hips facing forward as you're aiming your arrows to the back. Also try to keep the arms parallel to the earth. Feel the wonderful twist in the spine and the stretch through your arms. Come back to center. Bring your hands to your waist. Shift the weight to your left foot. Lift your right foot forward. Ankle rotation, clockwise and counterclockwise. You might also try to point and flex the ankle. This is great in building the strength over the standing leg and keeping the balance of the body. Lower the right foot down and change. Shift the weight to the right side. Lift the left foot. Ankle rotations, drawing small circles. And change the direction. Point and flex. Lower the foot down. Weight evenly into both legs, knees slightly bent. Neck rotation clockwise. 2 rounds, very slow. Loosen up every muscle fiber and connective tissues on the neck and shoulders. Counterclockwise 2 times. Bring your chin back to center. Interlace the fingers. Inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, press the palms towards the sky. Relax the shoulders. Try to bring the arms closer to your ears. One more breath in. As you breathe out, rotate to the left. Slowly back to center as you inhale. Twist to the right as you exhale. Back to center. Release the arms down, slightly bending the knees. Take a full cycle of breath here. Then interlace the fingers in front of your lower abdominal. Inhale, lift them up. Exhale, flip and press up. Relax the shoulders. Wiggle a little. Inhale, push up. Exhale, stretch to the left. Look up under the right armpit. Slowly back to center. Exhale, stretch to the right. Stretch one more time on each side. Your body is loving it. Back to center. Release the arms down. Bring your hands to your lower abdominal. Stack the palms. For female, the left hand is the dominant hand. Left over right. But for male, the right hand is the dominant hand. So right over left for men. Gently massage your abdominal in a circular motion, clockwise. Feel the good qi, the good energy moving inside of the cavity of your abdominal, nourishing the stomach and the spleen. Feel the energy moving towards the kidneys, the liver, the lungs, and your heart. The energy is moving and flowing throughout your body. Notice how wonderful you feel and how wonderful you are. This concludes our daily energizing Qigong routine. Friends, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in and practicing with me. If you haven't done so, please like the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. May the good energy be with you.